Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Figma UI. Figma UI is a collaborative interface design tool used primarily by designers and developers to create user interfaces for websites, mobile apps, and other digital products. Key features include prototyping, design systems, and real-time collaboration. It's targeted towards design professionals, from freelancers to large teams. Their website provides details about their various plans and features. Figma emphasizes its collaborative nature, enabling teams to work together seamlessly. They offer a free tier for individual users and paid plans for teams with more advanced features and collaboration capabilities. Figma promotes its ease of use and browser-based accessibility, eliminating the need for complex installations. While pricing is transparent, the various plans and their associated costs are detailed on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Figma UI. I signed up for the free tier to try it out for designing a simple mobile app interface. The initial setup was incredibly smooth. I just created an account, and I was immediately presented with a clean, intuitive interface. Navigating the interface was straightforward. Dragging and dropping elements, creating components, and even animating transitions felt surprisingly natural. I was able to quickly create a basic wireframe for my app, experimenting with different layouts and design elements. The prototyping feature was a highlight, allowing me to simulate user interactions and get a feel for the flow of the app. The performance was excellent, everything ran smoothly, even with multiple artboards and complex components. I did run into a minor issue with exporting a specific file format, but a quick search in their help center provided the solution. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, making it easy to manage projects and collaborate with others, even on the free tier. The standout feature for me was definitely the auto layout, which saved me a ton of time adjusting elements as I iterated on the design. One minor drawback was the lack of offline access in the browser version, which could be an issue if you're working on the go without reliable internet. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Figma UI, especially considering the powerful features available even in the free tier. It's a great tool for both beginners and experienced designers. That's my overview of Figma UI. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.